Meanwhile, Vice President Binay expressed his readiness to present himself before the Office of the Ombudsman to shed light on the truth behind the allegations against him. He said he will answer all the lies that have been filed against him by the complainants and other backers. This report.
Vice President Jejomar Binay says he is ready to face his accusers following the second plunder case filed against him in the Office of the Ombudsman. Binay decries the time of the filing, which coincides with Christmas season.
Sasagutin ko sa Ombudsman lahat ng mga kasinungalingan ninyo. Magharap tayo sa mata ng batas. Dadaan po tayo sa tamang proseso.
The Vice President also questions the real motive behind the said special audit against him in connection with the construction of the Makati Science Building.
Isa lang ang tanong ko sa mga taong nagpaparatang sa akin at sa mga taong nasa likod ng lahat at lahat ng ito. 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, wala ni isang kwestiyon o report ng anumang irregularidad sa mga proyektong binanggit po nila. Pero wala nung pumasok po ang 2014, biglang may special audit, special finding, at kung ano-ano pa. Sanay po ako sa laban ng buhay at kahit hindi sila patas o makatarungan, hindi ko po yan uurungan.
Meantime, Binay strongly believes that Manila Mayor and close friend Joseph Estrada will support him on the 2016 presidential elections, dismissing reports that ERAP is keen on pushing Senator Grace Poe as his bet in the next election. Binay explains that in a speaking engagement in Camarines Sur, together with the former president 2 months ago, ERAP was publicly clamoring for Binay as the next president.
Wala naman kung issue dyan. Ulitin ko ha. Yung pagkakandidato po ni Senator po, spekulasyon pa lang. Hindi naman po pirmi na sinabi. Di ba? Di ba repeatedly sabi ni Senator po, she is not prepared for the job as a president.
He maintained that in an election, any endorsement such as those of the former president is very much needed. He instead wants Senator Poe as his running mate than a foe in 2016.
Sino man ang hindi papayag ng ganun? Wow, I suppose that is the most ideal situation, especially for us in the group sa grupo ni FPJ, yung mga kaibigan ni FPJ.
So, diba? Kung gano'n, sir, mas gusto mong gano'n na lang ipayo ni ERAP sa kanya na maging running mate?
Yan, spekulasyon na yan. So, mahirap na. hindi na ako sasagot. Dapat yan. Dapat si ERAP na.
For People's Television, George Bandola.